why are Eid prayers different to normal prayers?
Yeah. So Eid prayer is different, and I mean both Eids, the smaller Eid, which is called Eid al-Fitr, and the bigger one as well. It's like the Friday prayer. You can see the Friday prayer is also short. Short. It has two rakats. So similar is the case with the Eid prayer. So you see, because of the fact that it's a public gathering, and a lot of people are to be gathered there, and they listen to the sermon of the Imam, which is basically something that has to be listened to. And in the times of the Prophet and the rightly guided caliphate, this was delivered by the head of the state and his representatives in various provinces. So this was one time in which the Almighty and His Prophet wanted the people who were governing them come close to them, give them this advice, and give a shortened form of the prayer so that they could get more time in exposing themselves before the general masses by delivering that sermon and by later on actually sitting amongst them if they had any queries. So that is why the Eid prayer and the Friday prayer, both of these prayers, they are shortened.
Yeah, okay, thank
And
you.
if you're referring to the takbirs, I mean, yes, one thing that might also have been in your mind that during that prayer we also say the takbirs 6 times or at times 8 times. So these takbirs or these loud words that we say Allahu Akbar several times during the prayer, they are meant to express the exaltedness of the Almighty. They are meant to glorify Him, the fact that He has given us life. He can take it away anytime. He is the supreme being, and when we are symbolizing our lives by slaughtering that animal, it is basically we acknowledge his superiority, we acknowledge his greatness, and then we present ourselves to him.